Partial product algebraic identities. For that, first you have to know 4 identities, that is x plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. X plus a x minus b equals to x square plus x into a minus b minus ab. X minus a x plus b equals to x square minus x into a minus b minus ab. X minus a into x minus b equals to x square minus x a plus b into x a plus b plus ab. These are 4 identities. Now you will learn the uses of these 4 identities when you will solve problem. First problem is simplify using the identities as x plus a x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That was our first identities. Let's do the maths. See, this is half g plus 5 and half g plus 5. We forget to write g here. So half g plus 5 and half g plus 5. Now, see, this half g is common. Now, see, according to the identities, x plus a, x plus b, that means x will be equal term in both cases. So, this is x. And 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus a plus b. So, it is a and it is b. We will suppose it as, and we will put the formula of this. So, now x square. So, instead of x square, we will write half g. Half g. Because x is here half g. So, instead of x, we write half g, then square, plus. Now, they tell a plus b in brackets. So, a is 5. So, we will put 5. And b is 3. So, we will put 3. In between, there is plus sign. So, I give plus sign. And then x is half g for us. So, we will put 1 by 2 g. No sign means into. That's why we give into. Plus ab. ab means a into b. 5 into 3. Now, what we have to do is, we have to simplify. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. And g square is g square. Every number we have to square. Plus 5 plus 3 is became 8. So 8 into 1 by 2 g. Plus 5 into 3 is 15. Now 2 and 8 will be cancelled out and we got 4. So we will write 1 by 4 g square plus 4g plus 15. This way you have to solve to find your answer. The same way we will do other maths also. The question is find the product using the suitable identities. Here they will not tell you which identity you have to use. They will say use suitable identities. So, see, it is u plus 3 and u minus 6. If we compare this with these 4 identities, see, first one is plus and second one is minus. This identity we will find number 2. X plus a, x minus b. So here u plus 3, u minus 6. So we can take u as x, 3 as a and 6 as b. So the identities were x square plus x a minus b minus ab. So x square, instead of x we find here u, so we will put u square. Then plus x, so plus u. A minus b, here a is 3 and b is 6, so put 3 minus 6 because a minus b is there. Then minus ab, that means a that is 3 and b that is 6 into 6. So now what we have to do is, you have to simply calculate. 3 minus 6 will become minus 3. So minus 3 and 3 into 6 became 18. Now this plus minus will get multiplied and we will write minus 3u minus 18. And this will be your answer. So you have to compare the maths with the identities. Now let's do another one, then you will get a clear idea about this. 3x minus 10, 3x minus 4. Now see, 3x is common, so we will take it as x. But which identities we will use? Both are minus in sign. So just compare it. Both are minus in sign in the last one. Both are minus in sign. So first one is A, 10 is A and 4 is B. Second one is B. Now you have to put the formula, that is x square minus x A plus B. So x square, that means 3x whole square minus x A plus B. So for x we will put 3x and A plus B is there. So 10 plus 14 we will write. 10 plus 4. And the next is plus AB. So give plus A and B. That means 10 into 4. Now 3x square, 3x whole square. That means 3 square 9 and x square is x square minus 3x. 10 into 4 will become 14 plus 10 into 4. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 into 4 is 40. Now 9x square. 14 into 3, that is 42x plus 40. And this is how you will get your answer. Now the question is, find the value of the following without actual multiplication. So without doing the multiplication, you have to find your answer. Now they said us 86 into 82. Then how will you find without multiplying? See, for this one, 86, that means we can put it as 80 plus 6 into, this is 82, that means 80 plus 2. Now compare with the identities. X plus A, X plus B, that is x square plus x into A plus B plus AB. In the same way, if you compare it, 80 is x, 6 is A, 80 is x and 2 is B. Now the formula was x square, that means 80 whole square plus 80 x into A plus B, 6 plus 2 and then plus AB, that means 6 into 2. Now definitely you have to multiply them, but we will not multiply it directly. 80 square will become 6400. 80 into 6 plus 2 will become 8 and 6 into 2 is 12. Now 6400. 80 into 8 is 640 plus 12. Now add them and you will get your answer. This is your answer. You can check it with multiplying these two numbers. Now we will do the next one. It is 98 into 105. For this question, we will put 98 as 100 minus 2 and 105 as 100 plus 5. You have to make it similar to identities that you can do. Now, see, x minus A and x plus B. In that form, we have put it. So, put the formula x square, that means 100 square. Then, minus A plus B. For that, the third formula is it, x square minus x into A minus B. So, we will put x minus x into A minus B, that is 2 minus 5. And then we will put minus AB, that means 2 into 5. Now 100 square will become 10,000. 100 into minus 3 and minus 2 into 5 is 10. Now it is 10,000 plus minus will become plus 300 minus 10. So it will become, you have to calculate it, that is 10300 minus 10 will become 10290. And in this way you will get your answer.